How about taking off to a little island off the coast of Belize? Well, Travel Lady's here to talk about that. So this is a little bit unique.
It's a little bit different from, you know, when people say, I've got to get out of town, you think non-stop flight, Cancun, Mayan Riviera. This is for people who don't want to do an all-inclusive, who want to really get into the destination. And it's very kind of a unique destination to go to because you've got beach and you've got jungle as well.
So a little bit of an adventure if you want it. But like you said, it's not exactly third world here. Like, no. This is a pretty gorgeous setup.
Yeah, this is a beautiful property in San Pedro on Ambergris Caye, the island there.
Off of Belize.
Off of Belize,
gotcha.
Yes. Fantastic snorkeling in this area. I mean, it's renowned for that. The barrier reef around the Keys there is, some say, better than the Great Barrier Reef. So you don't have to be a scuba diver to enjoy it. But if you are a scuba diver, this is the place where they all want to go to.
I have friends who are divers, and they talk about it, who have been, they talk about it all the time, that it's beautiful.
Yeah, I'd be scared to death to do that. But
Now, Belize, like you're looking, here we are on golf carts. Like, this is a pretty unusual scenario.
It is, because look at this. You use a bike, you use a golf cart to get around. All of these little buildings along the side there, they're little art shops. There's a big art community there. Little restaurants, mom and pop restaurants where you can go in and have a really reasonable meal, fresh ingredients, fantastic fresh food. I mean, people go across there and they say, wow, I can't believe how cheap it was eating out.
And a little bit rustic in that sense.
A little bit rustic,
yeah, which is cool.
You go and eat outside a place where you've got sort of tree trunks in the sand.
Perfect.
And enjoy that then at the end of the day. Then the property that we're featuring here obviously is a deluxe boutique hotel, but there are lots of other options as well.
So let's take a look at what the breakdown is of this package.
Okay, this package doesn't include the flights into Belize City, but it does include your small plane across to Ambergris Caye,
gotcha.
Your daily breakfast, that boutique accommodation, all your taxes, and it's really easy to get into Belize City. Lots of flights, say via Houston, just one connection. I always suggest use your points for those shorter trips because people like to save up their points. They think, I'm going to go to Australia, and it's harder to get points flights to there. So this would be ideal.
More than 3-hour flights, 5-hour flights.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, of course, if you're interested in that package or any of them from the Travel Lady, you can contact her at 277-6884 or visit her website at thetravellady.ca. Much more still ahead as we sit here at 8:26 on Tuesday morning.